Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Okay, when we stopped in the last class. Yes, we complete our 12th chapter, simple present tense. Okay, today we are going to discuss about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Okay, first of all of you take page number 43. Page number 43. Okay, present continuous tense. Okay, look at your textbook. Sentences that talk about actions happening at the time of speaking are said to be in present continuous tense. Okay, sentence that talk about action happening at the time of speaking. Happening at the time of speaking. That means, yes, present continuous tense are said to be in present continuous tense. നമ്മൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് സംഭവിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് എന്ത് പറയാ പ്രസന്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ്. ഓക്കെ, സെന്റൻസ് ദാറ്റ് ടോക്ക് അബൌട്ട് ആക്ഷൻ ഹാപ്പനിങ് അറ്റ് ദ ടൈം ഓഫ് സ്പീക്കിംഗ് ആർ said to be in present continuous tense. ഓക്കെ, പ്രസന്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഈ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് സംഭവിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് എന്ത് പറയാ പ്രസന്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസ്. സെന്റൻസ് that talk about action happening at the time of speaking. At the time of speaking are said to be in present continuous tense. Okay, then we use is, am or are the ing form of the verb in the present continuous tense. Okay, we use is, am, are. നമ്മൾ പ്രസന്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂസ് ടെൻസിലേക്ക് എഴുതുന്ന സമയത്ത് എന്തൊക്കെ ഉപയോഗിക്കാം? ഈസ്. ഓക്കെ, വി യൂസ് ഈസ്, ആർ and the ing form of the verb in the present continuous tense. Okay, then present continuous tense എഴുതുന്ന സമയത്ത് എന്താണ്? Yes, we use is, am, are. ഈസും ആമും ആർ ഉപയോഗിക്കും. Then ing form of the verb കൂടി ചേർക്കും. Okay, then here read the sentences. Atul is cleaning the room now. Adul is cleaning the room. The room now. Okay, listen. Adul is cleaning the room now. First sentence is that. Next sentence. I am sitting on a bench in the park. I am sitting on a bench in the park. Then next sentence. Radhika and Tulasi are playing in the garden. Radhika and Tulasi are playing in the garden. Playing in the garden. Okay, I want to listen here. These are the three sentences. We already told that present continuous tense means action happening at the time of speaking. നമ്മൾ ഈ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന സമയത്ത് സംഭവിക്കുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് അല്ലേ about action happening at the time of speaking. Then next thing that we use is, am, are. We use is, am, are. പിന്നെ ing form of the verb ചേർത്താണ് അവർ വന്നല്ലേ. Okay, then Adul is cleaning the room now. Okay, here first sentence he is cleaning. Okay, here we already told that we use is. Is ഉപയോഗിച്ചു അല്ലേ? Then next ing form of the verb. Here verb is clean. Then ing form of the verb cleaning. Ing form of the verb is cleaning. Okay, cleaning is the verb and the ing form of the verb is clean. Okay, ing form. Then next sentence. I am sitting on a bench in the park. I am sitting on a bench in the park. Okay, then all of you listen here. I'm sitting. Okay, next sentence. I'm sitting. Then we already told that I'm using am. Then am is here. Then sitting, ing form of the verb. Here sit is the verb and then ing form of the verb is sitting. Okay, sitting. This is past, present continuous tense. Then next third sentence. Radhika and Tulasi are playing in the garden. Radhika and Tulasi are playing in the garden. Okay, here are playing. All of you listen. Are playing. Here are, then ing form of the verb play. Okay, ing play is the verb and the ing form of the verb play. Okay, then this all sentences are present continuous tense. Okay, we use here is, are. Then ing form of the verb cleaning, sitting, play. Okay, then next points to remember. All of you listen. Points to remember. We use am with I. We use am with I. Aminte kude eppoഴാണ് ചേർക്കുക? I. Here example, I am studying now. I am studying now. Then next point, we use is with he, she, it or a singular noun. We use is with he, she, it or a singular noun. Okay, she is baking cookies now. Okay, she is baking cookies now. Here we use is with is ന്റെ കൂടെ എന്താ ചേർക്കുക? he, she, it. he, she, it ന്റെ കൂടെ ആയിരിക്കും is ചേർക്കുക. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സിംഗുലർ നൗണിന്റെ കൂടെ ആയിരിക്കും എപ്പോഴും ചേർക്കുക is എന്നുള്ളത് ചേർക്കുക. Okay, then next third sentence. We use are with we, you, they or a plural noun. We use are with are ന്റെ കൂടെ എന്താ ചേർക്കുക? we, you, they or a plural noun. Plural noun ന്റെ are ന്റെയോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ are ന്റെ കൂടെ we, you, they ന്റെ കൂടെ are ചേർക്കുക. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്തിന്റെ കൂടെ are ചേർക്കുക? plural noun ന്റെ കൂടെ അല്ലേ? Here you are drawing really well. You are drawing really well. Okay, these 3 points all of you remember. Okay, first point is that we use am with I. Am with aminte kude eppoഴാണ് എന്ത് ചേർക്കുക? I ചേർക്കുക അല്ലേ? I ചേർക്കുക. Then we use is with he, she, it. He, she, it ന്റെ കൂടെ ആയിരിക്കും എന്ത് ചേർക്കുക? is ചേർക്കുക അല്ലേ? Then next we use are with we, you, they. We, you, they ന്റെ കൂടെ ആയിരിക്കും are ചേർക്കുക. Okay, these 3 points all of you remember. Okay, then present continuous tense we will discuss. Happening, action happening at the time of speaking. Present continuous tense നമ്മൾ സംസാരിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആ സമയത്ത് present continuous tense എന്ന് പറയുക. Okay, then next then we use is, am or are. is, am, are, then plus ing form of the verb ആണ് present continuously tense ചേർത്ത് കൊടുക്കുക അല്ലേ? Then we discuss about the 3 points to remember. First one, we use am with I. Then we use with he, she, it or singular noun. And then we use are with you. We, you, they or plural noun. Okay. Then next, I hope all of you understand what is present continuous tense. Okay. Then all of you listen. Exercise. First exercise. Tick the correct answer. One has been done for you. Tick the correct answer. One one has been done for you. First one is already there. Renu dash now. Renu dash now. Now is working. Is working now because Renu is a singular. Then Renu is working. About is one. Then all of you take page number 44. Page number 44. Page number 44. Okay. Page number 44. Page number 44. Second one. The children dash with joy. The children dash with joy. Is jumping. Options is jumping, are jumping, are jumping. Okay, here all of you listen. The children. The children how many persons there? It's a singular noun or plural noun. The children. Yes, plural noun. Plural noun. The children dash with joy. Okay, first sentence you listen the sentence and identify it's a singular or plural noun. Okay, after that you will get the options. Okay, then here the children, that means it's a plural noun. Okay, here plural noun matching with the is jumping. No, is jumping is matching with the singular noun. Okay, then is jumping not. Then are jumping. Is always used with the I, not that. Okay, then are jumping. Then last option are jumping. Are jumping. Yes, we use to plural nouns. Okay, the answer is are jumping. Okay, are jumping. All of right in the textbook. Are jumping. Are jumping. Okay, then all of you listen the third sentence. Shalini dash a Harry Potter book now. Shalini dash a Harry Potter book now. Okay, here Shalini is a singular noun or plural noun? Yes, Shalini is a singular noun. Then option, all of you listen the option. Is reading, am reading, are reading. Okay, which is the answer? Is reading, am reading, are reading. Okay, here Shalini is the singular noun because are reading is okay. No, are reading is used with the plural nouns. Then am reading is okay. No, is am always used with the I. Okay, then answer is reading. Is reading yes, singular no here Shalini is a singular noun. Okay, then all of you write is reading. Take the answer is reading. Is reading. Okay, then fourth one. I dash to music now. I dash to music now. Okay, here I. Here noun is I. Okay, then we already told that I used with the Okay, option is listening, am listening, are listening. Is listening, am listening, and are listening. You say the answer. Which one is suitable here? Already told that I used with the am. Yes. Here answer is am listening. Very good. Am. All of you write in your textbook. Am listening. Am listening. Okay. Then fifth sentence. He dashed to the market now. He dashed to the market now. Here he is a singular or plural noun. Yes, he is a singular noun. Then options: he is going, am going, and are going. Which is the answer? going, am going, are going. Which is the answer? Yes, very good. Is going. Answer is going. Is going. Okay, then sixth. We dash to Chandigarh now. We dash to Chandigarh now. Here we is a singular or plural. Yes, we is a plural. Okay. We dash to Chandigarh now. Is traveling, are traveling, and are traveling. Which is the answer? Is traveling, are traveling, are traveling. Which is the answer? Is traveling in the then I'm traveling. I'm always used with the I. Then answer is are traveling. Are traveling. Are traveling. Okay. Then first answer are jumping. Second answer is reading. Fourth answer are listening. Fifth answer is going. And sixth answer are traveling. Okay. All of you write in your textbook. Okay. I hope all of you understand. Then next is B. Activity B. Activity B. Karthik and his friends are at the National Zoological Park in New Delhi. Karthik's friends National Zoological Park in New Delhi. Okay. Find out what they as well as some animals are doing at the zoo by filling in the blanks. Okay. Here അവിടെ എന്താണ് മൃഗങ്ങൾ ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത് എന്നുള്ളത് പിന്നെ അവിടെ നടക്കുന്ന സംഭവങ്ങളാണ് താഴെ കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. Then you doing filling in the blanks. One has been done for you. ഒന്ന് ഓൾറെഡി അവിടെ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Okay, first one. Karthik and his friends are waiting to see the lion roar. Okay, here Karthik Karthik's friends എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ more than one person. Okay, ഒരുപാട് ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. Then are waiting. Then second answer. Meanwhile, the lioness dash her cubs. Meanwhile, the lioness dash her cubs. Here, lioness is a singular or plural. Lioness. Yes, lioness is a singular form. Then is or are is are or are. Which one is? Is singular or is only. Then how to write the answer? Is cuddle. Then cuddling. Then ing form present like ing form ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, is cuddling. Then third one. A few elephants dash in the pond. A few elephants dash in the pond. Here bath. Then here few elephants. Few elephants in how many elephants? Lots of elephants. Because we use are. Okay, are. Then how to write the answer? Few elephants are bathing. Very good. Are bathing. Are bathing. Okay. Few elephants are bathing in the pond. Okay. Then next, fourth one. A turkey dash for grains to eat. A turkey dash for grains to eat. Okay, here search. Okay, search. A turkey. How many turkeys? Yes, only one turkey. Then we use is. Okay, then is searching. Okay, turkey is searching. Answer is searching. antelopes, antelopes dash in the sun. Some antelopes dash in the sun. Here bask. Here some antelopes are too. How many antelopes? Lots of. Then how, which one is used? Is R or Yes, here use R. Okay. Some are. Some antelopes are basking. And the form of the basking. Basking. Okay, basking. Okay, in the sun. The last one. The great Indian hornbill dash at the bark of a tree. The great Indian hornbill dash at the bark of a tree. Okay, here speak. Then how many hornbills here? Only one hornbill because we use is. Then speak. Yes, speaking. Speaking. Okay. First answer is calling. Then third answer are basking. Then is searching. Are basking and is speaking. Okay. Then all of you write in your textbook this answer is calling. Are basking. Is searching. Are basking and is speaking. Okay. Then all of you listen the page number 45. Page number 45. Look at the picture. What are the people doing? Complete each sentence in the present continuous tense using verb from the box. One has been done for you. Okay, here's a homework for you. Okay, look at the picture. What are the people doing? A picture നോക്കിയിട്ട് അവിടെയുള്ള ആളുകൾ എന്താണ് ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് ശ്രദ്ധിക്കുക. Then complete each sentence present continuous tense using verb from the box. One has been done for you. Here there is lots of verb given here in the box. Wave, sit, tell, sit, eat, wearing, play. Okay, ഇത് വെച്ചിട്ട് ആം ഈസും ആറും ചേർത്ത് ing ഫോം ഉപയോഗിച്ച് എഴുതാനാണ്. Okay, here wave, tell, sit, eat, wear, play. These are the words. Okay, this is your homework. You do yourself. Okay, then if you have any doubt you can ask. Okay, then page number 45 see activities the homework. Okay, then in this class, today's class we discuss about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. We already told that present continuous tense talk about action happening at the time of speaking. Action happening at the time of speaking. Then we use is, am, are and ing form of the verb. Okay, then we discuss some examples and points to remember. We already discussed that we use am with I, then we use is with he, she, it. Am kuda I and ചേർക്കുക, then is kuda he, she, it, then singular noun, then last we use are with we, you, they and plural noun. Okay, these are the points to remember. Then we discussed A, B, C activity. Then C activity is the homework. Okay, I hope all of you are understand what is present continuous tense. Okay, what is present continuous tense? Then if you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, then we can meet next class. Thank you.